everybody, welcome to Diana Creatives, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing on the red button down below. Don't forget to like, share and also comment on anything. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell, the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a video, you'll get notified. So today's video is all about buttons. So I'm going to show you how to attach a button to a garment. So if you want to know how to do this, continue watching. So the first thing I'll do, I just cut my garment. So you're gonna need thread, a button, a needle, a seam ripper, and a piece of fabric. So I'm gonna use a piece of fabric, but you have to attach your button to your garment. So you have to identify the place you want to put your button. So for me, I'm gonna put it here. So I'm gonna mark it. So this is the place I will put my button. And the first thing you do is thread. So threading is passing ensure that the button you pick matches the thread so that it looks beautiful. So I identified the place I'm gonna put my button, and it's here. So the first thing we should do is always reinforce. So you should reinforce. How do we reinforce?
So after you reinforce, ensure that the needle passes through the holes in the button. Just to do as I am doing, you do it again. Be careful not to prick your hands. You can do this about 4 times. Ensure that the button can fit through a buttonhole. So once you're done, you reinforce at the back. And after you're done reinforcing, you make buttonhole stitches through those reinforced lines. So this is what you do. You pass the needle through the reinforced lines, take a thread and pass it over the needle, then pull. This is to make sure that your finish is clean and neat. We are done. Look how beautiful that is. So I used a double thread, but now I'm using a single thread. You can use either. The process is the same, only that we are using a single thread. We are done. That's the finished product.
Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time.